Well, normally judicial races don't get a lot of attention, but you're hearing a lot about the Supreme Court races here in Illinois.
That's because there are 2 open seats. The balance of power could shift as the Democrats currently have a slight 4-3 majority on that court. Streaming anchor Brad Edwards spoke with each of the candidates, and he joins us now.
Yeah, Joe and Eric, we could see a shift. 2 seats up for grabs if Republicans get both. That could swing the court to 4-3 Republicans. That hasn't been seen in really forever. It's rarely been this close, and frankly, we don't typically see judges lobbing such vitriol at each other, but here we are really seeing some gloves-off advertising in the race so far. Some believe the Supreme Court should be above such reproach. I asked all 4 candidates if any believe their ads or ads on their behalf violated the Illinois Code of Judicial Conduct.
There are statements or positions that have been attributed to me. I'm just going to talk about my race that have been attributed to me that are fabrications. I've never said those things. And it's, a great deal of hyperbole in political races. This gets back to the judicial independence aspect of it. We should be held to a higher standard. We're not running for state rep. We're not running for governor. We're running for the Illinois Supreme Court.
The commercials that have been sourced by my campaign only state facts that are absolutely verified. There have been other commercials that have made fabrications and about me, and I believe that those are intended to distract people from voters from the facts in the case.
I don't believe it's violated the code of ethics. Of course, no one likes the level of vitriol in any political campaign. The fact of the matter is that we have chosen in Illinois to elect in a partisan election our judges for the circuit, the appellate, and the Supreme Court.
I would say that clearly the advertising that's been run against me and Justice Burke is false. It's 100% lie. And I would submit that there's a good argument that it does violate the judicial conduct canons.
Important to note that not all of us get to vote for the Supreme Court. Only voters in districts 2 and 3 will cast ballots for a justice of their choice. It's the gray, blue, and pink areas of the map, really everything surrounding Cook County. Now, it's also important in judicial races to not say, for example, I'm pro-life or I'm pro-choice. So their ads shouldn't say something like such and such candidate is supported by Planned Parenthood. That implies they're pro-choice. It's a no-no for our legal expert, Irv Miller. And we've seen that over and over in these races. Our entire conversations with the Supreme Court candidates and insight from Irv Miller. It will be on the stream. Join us tonight at 7 p.m. on the stream for a full look at that. Guys, going to be a hot one tomorrow.
It is. Looking forward to it. Thanks, Brad.
Certainly.